Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So as we have started in Revit tutorial series for the architecture and the civil engineer students, so we'll be continuing this series, and in this today episode we will be discussing about how you can place a corner window at your corner of any walls. So this we will be discussing in detail, each step by step, how you can create a curtain wall storefront, and then how we can convert those particular curtain windows into a L-shaped corner window. So this we will be discussing in detail. Let's say first of all we will be drawing any kind of corner, we can say wall here. So let me quickly draw a corner wall. For that one I have chosen one wall from here, then CS command. So I will be drawing one corner L-shaped wall here. So as you can see, now we are having L-shaped wall and we want to place a corner window here as per our project requirement. So how you can place that? For that one, simply first of all you have to go here in the architecture tab. The method which is I am explaining to place the corner window, L-shaped window, is very easy and it is adaptive family. Whenever you are changing the sizes, it will be adapting the sizes of your requirement. So simply you have to go here, architecture, you will be clicking on the wall, then in this you will be selecting the storefront. Okay, so here in the curtain wall you will be selecting the storefront. How much length of the window you need? Let's say here, as you can see, we are showing right now 6 feet. So let's say we need 6 feet length from this left hand side wall, and also here we need around 6 feet, or as per your requirement you can choose. So let's say here also I need 6 feet. Okay, so a window is placed right now with the help of the wall architecture. Then we have used the curtain wall storefront feature from here. Okay, so you can see here curtain glass panels are placed. So right now if you are having any, let's say, rules are there, then you can edit those rules. If you want the, let's say, vertical grid after every 6 feet and the horizontal grid after every 6 feet, so whatever spacing you need you can change from here also. But we will not be requiring the full corner window as per the height of the wall. We will be requiring it only as per our requirement, like say 4 feet height window or whatever as per your project. So right now I am changing here the base offset, the seal height of the window as a 3 feet, and the top unconnected will be around 4 feet from the top of this FFL, okay, or the top of this wall. Let's say make it 5 feet. So here our curtain wall storefront has been placed as per our requirement. Here you can see the L-shaped curtain panel has been placed, but here we are having one problem. You can see window is in between those panels, we are having a wall, so we need to remove this wall. So for that, what we will be doing, we will be simply going here. Okay, for that one you can choose any of the wall first. For that you need to have, like, you will be going here in the edit profile and we will be creating a cutout in the same wall. Okay, so we will be creating a opening in the wall as per the edges of this particular curtain panel. So for that we have to go here, pick lines. Once you are coming over those particular edges of this curtain panel, you will be seeing a dash line will be there. So once it is coming, then only you have to click OK. It is mandatory that you should ensure that only those dash projection lines over the edges of those panels are coming, then only you are clicking. After that you will be locking this. Okay, again the next stage, again you will be locking this, again below edge will be locking this. Now here this line we are having a continuous, so we have to split this line and then we can attach this to upper corner, this to bottom corner, like this we can make. So this window is completed. Now same process we have to do for this wall also. Again edit profile, you will be selecting the wall, then you will be going to edit profile, again pick lines, then you will wait for the projection lines. You can check here, this one finish, then lock. Again you will be clicking here. Okay, once projection dash lines are visible, then you can click OK, then lock. Again for the bottom, click OK, lock. Then again here this line we have to split. We are using the split command SL, then we are connecting it to the upper edge and this one to the below edge. So this is how we have created an opening in our existing wall profile. So after that we will be clicking done. Okay, so we have created wall opening in both the walls. Okay, first step we have placed the curtain panels, then second step we have created the wall opening in both the walls. Now as you can see here, we are having two mullions, so we need to delete them because we need here a clear L-shaped connection. So for that one we will be pressing tab and we will be selecting those. You can, by press tab, you can select those mullion. Let me select the next one also. So here also we have selected. After that we will be making them unpin. After that we can make delete. Okay, once you deleted, those mullions edges will be automatically connected, but still we are having one problem here, that glass, as you can see here, both glass having a separation here, both glass are not joined together. So for that one, what we will be doing, the same wall whatever you are using, you have to create it as a duplicate material and you have to create it as a glass. Okay, so we'll be creating same wall, basic wall, generic 150 or whatever you are using as a glass. We have to create it as a glass. So we have duplicated, we have renamed. Now we have to go in the edit part, structure part, and we have to change the material also inside. So we can select any of the glass material. Let's say we are already having blue glass, so I am selecting this. Okay, so now right now I have created one more basic wall material, that is glass. Okay, so let me change it again to my original glass one because I don't want to update it as a glass. Okay, so let's say here, as you can see, let me draw this wall again, same wall, basic wall, here somewhat here. Okay, and I will convert it to the recent one that I have created by duplicating, that is generic 150 we are having glass, so we can search for the glass directly here. So this wall will be coming, as you can see here. Once I will be clicking here, you can see this wall I have created newly and I have added the material as a glass. Now to solve this issue that we are having a separation between two glass panel, we have to simply click both the glass panel with the help of tab again, and second one I am also clicking. Now both the glass panel we have to make it unpin. After that we have to go in the properties tab again, and here we will be looking for our glass generic or whatever the walls you have created. We will be looking for the same wall here again. Let's say, let me search it again. Okay, we'll be converting those panel from the glass glazed to this generic glass that we have created right now. Okay, once you have selected, okay, you can now see those separations are also removed. So if I will rotate this plan, you can see now we are having a complete glass, you can say glass work as a wall. There will be no separation. Okay, so let me Control Z, so you will be not you can recognize that what we have earlier. Let me do the Control Z. You can see here earlier this is our profile, after that converting into glass wall, this is our recent profile. So this is how you can create. Okay, so you can see now. Okay, and if you want to reduce the width of this wall, glass wall, then again you can simply go to that particular wall that you have created. Inside the structure part, you can mention it. Let's say if you want it only 2 inch, then you can mention it only 2 inch here. Click OK. Okay, then it will be 2 inch as per your requirement. So this is how you can create L-shaped corner. Okay, L-shaped corner window as per your project requirement. So this is very simple and easy step. And again, if you want to change the mullion pattern, for that one simply you can change, no issue. You can simply click on any one of them, you can unpin and you can change the type from here. Okay, you can change the type, you can change the sizes from here. Let's say if you want only 15 to 65, so you can select and you can change the sizes as per your requirement. So that I think you already aware of those editing tools if you have gone through how to create different types of curtain, storefront, wall or everything. Okay, so if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.